Hi, I'm Brighton Godfrey, co-founder and CTO of Veriflow. Today, we're going to talk about how you can gain assurance of network resilience throughout the continual IT lifecycle. Our patented technology builds a complete model of your network across all infrastructure devices, regardless of the vendor, and the tech is able to do this without looking at any live traffic. Instead, it predicts all data flow behavior that could happen in the future. With zero touch from the user, we then infer intended network behavior and automate thousands of checks to verify availability and resilience. Here, we see a violation where the intent of the design is not being met by the reality of the network. Veriflow has identified that these two core devices are supposed to be an HSRP redundant pair. But for certain kinds of traffic, there's reachability only to core 1 and not core 2. That's a potential service outage waiting to happen. With the detailed path tracing capability, you can pinpoint the root cause. For all these 10.2 prefixes, there are 2 next hops in the forwarding table, but for 10.2.10, there's just 1. So regardless of whether HSRP is configured correctly, the prefix wasn't advertised properly in OSPF. This is a real issue that Veriflow identified in a production network. The software started with a high-level goal, resilience of the data center, and its automated intent inference and verification pinpointed this needle in the haystack that ordinarily we might not have noticed until after an outage. That's one example among many automatically inferred checks. You can see a few others here, like consistency, path symmetry, duplex mismatch, and loops, and more. The results of these inferred checks, as well as user-defined intent checks, are all populated in the Vitals dashboard, where operations teams can proactively visualize the health of their network and generate daily reports to share with the team. Keeping the network online and connected is no easy task, but with Veriflow, you can now automate verification of resilience and availability on-premises and into the cloud. To learn how to start Veriflowing your network, request a complete demo today.